Welcome back to making a live edge river table in Costa Rica. Today, very exciting, we are going to be doing more planing. And then after that, we're going to do even more planing, and to wrap it all up, more planing still. So if you're watching this and you're like, oh my God, this is painful to watch, she doesn't know what she's doing, just know that I'm really having fun and this is very meditative. So thanks for following along. Let's get to it. And we're done. This one plane. Actually, I'm kidding. One more pass. Okay, I'm declaring that face complete, at least until the final planing, after we do the epoxy. It's gonna take a few months. On to the next board. You know what to do if you want to see what happens next. Don't forget to like and subscribe.